Hi, I'm Dina. I'm from Egypt. I'm 27 years old. I'm here on this amazing program, the Sports Global Mentoring Program. It's organized by the State Department, ESPNW, and the University of Tennessee. I've been lucky enough to be sent here to Stanton & Co. as mentors to me. And I just have like a dream or a vision of going back to Egypt and establish my own swimming academy that is value-centered. Because I have experienced how sports influenced my life. I've been swimming for 12 years on the Egyptian swimming national team. So I just want to give back to girls and women in my community to be able to achieve themselves and just experience how good sports can impact their lives.